Hey guys, so today we're going to look at filling in Venn diagrams in these sorts of exam questions. So algebra is your friend in these. So if we read it, there are 70 pupils in a group. The only languages available for the group to study are French and Spanish, which is clear from the Venn diagram. So this 70 means all these numbers need to add up to 70. Yeah, so that's the first thing. 18 students study both French and Spanish, so that's easy. 50 study French and 23 study Spanish. So whatever's left easy, right? Whatever's left goes in here. So 50 plus 18 plus 23 should be less than 70, but we can see it clearly isn't because that is 73. So you end up with 91. So what's gone wrong? I've double counted. So this together should add up to 50. So this bit here must be 50 minus 18, which gives me 32. Likewise, the Spanish circle together should add up to 23, so that must be 5. So now, if I do 32 plus 18, that is 50, and 50 plus 5 is 55, there must be 70 minus 55 there, which is 15. So that is 15. We have 32, 18, and 5. So the probability of being F and not S, F is this, but we want not S. So we only want this bit. But we also want the bit outside, don't we? Because this isn't S either. So that will be 32 plus 15 out of the total. So we should get 47 out of 70. So once we get there, we want F and not S, which is, it has to be F and not S. So it's this bit. Yeah, it can't be the bit outside because that is not in F. And we wanted and, not or. So we only want 32. So the answer will be 32 out of 70. Next question. 48 study Spanish, 51 Chinese, 11 neither. This is probably the hardest type. Awkward to teach as well because I have to start using algebra. Some people, to a group of students, that's quite awkward. So I'm going to do that as x. So this must be 48 minus x, and that must be 51 minus x. So now I can do an equation. So 51 minus x, 80 people in the group, yeah? So 48 minus x plus 51 minus x plus 11 must equal 80, because all those four numbers should add up to 80. So now I'm in a position to figure out what x is. So that gives me 99. 99 plus 11 gives me 110. So 110 plus x minus 2x equals 80. So that means minus x equals minus 30, so x is 30. There you go. If x is 30, it follows that 48 minus the x must be 18. And 51 minus x must be 21. And what do we have outside? We had 11. So the probability of being in both is the intersection, which is this bit here. So we have 30 out of 80. Boom. Let's do another couple. So let's fill it in first. So 23 use swimming pool and gym. 50 use the swimming pool. 40 use the gym. 70 altogether. So the numbers that go in the square, it will be 50 take 40. That must be 50 minus 23, and that must be 40 minus 23. So that will give us 27. This will give us 17. And then we add that up. What does that say? 27, 23, 17. And what's left when we subtract that from 70 must be in the bottom corner. So that plus that is 50. Plus 17 is 67. So that must be 3. Now we can answer the question. Find the probability of S union G. So remember, this means the union, which is S or G or both. So it's those three numbers, which adds up to 67 out of 70. Done. Let's do this one. So again, pause the video, give it a go, and then come back. So welcome back. 47 used the swimming pool. 58 used the gym. And 4 used neither. So now we use our friend algebra. So that is x. So this must be 47 minus x, 58 minus x. And they must, all 4 numbers must add up to 80. So these 3 numbers must add up to 80 minus 4, which is 76. Yes, I've got 47 minus x plus 58 minus x must equal 76. So this, and this will simplify to negative x. And that will give me, was it 105? So we end up with x equals 105 minus 76, which is 29. Yes, so x is 29. So 47 minus 29 is 18. 58 minus 28 is 19. Sorry, 29. Then we had a 4 there. So if we add those together, we should get 80. Yeah, we do. So the probability of S and not G is just that bit, because that is S and not G. So we don't want anything else. So we've got 18 out of 80. Boom. Let's do one more for luck. So let's fill it in. 50 people, 20 study both French and Italian. I'm feeling this will be an easier one. That's 20. 39 study French, so this will be 39 minus 20. Italian is 25, so that'll be 25 minus 20. And whatever's left will go on the outside. So I know 39 minus 20 is 19. That was 20. And this will be 25 minus 20, which is 5. They add up to 44. So that must be 6. Now we can answer the question. Probability of not F and not I. So we don't want F or I. So everything else. So 6 out of 50. So what I've done there is scribbled out what I don't want. So 6 out of 50, everything on the outside, job done. Yeah, I hope that makes sense, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. See you soon.